Hey Ashley, how you doing? All right, so Envision overall it seems to be user-friendly, made a little progress, but still have a lot to complete. I didn't realize the additional screens I would need to create to work through the navigation. Yes, and that's my main comment here is the navigation. I think there's enough. Well, let's just jump right over to it. I think there's enough here really to indicate intent and really show the kind of methodology that you're using to for the viewer to understand and the functions, the features available through work wellness. That you're showing very well. And I think that in a lot of ways we can see that by clicking through page, right? And a lot of the things you've done here are just really fantastic. I'm going to jump back to, okay, the first click to the back button takes us. So this is a true back button. Let's do this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, see, it's not a true back button. It doesn't go back one screen at a time, but it doesn't go back to the main page either. Do you see what I'm saying? So I'm just trying to check the functionality of the back button. My idea, well, here, let's do this. Let's do this, Ashley. Let's go ahead and go through the process itself. Okay, so here's the screen. Now, I see that this from here, the screen, it doesn't go to, clicking on the screen should basically go to the first page, right, which is daily planning. But we don't see that. We have to use the navigation to get there. So I would link that out. Also, from here, we see what's available. The next page, daily planning. That's good. Okay, then we have your messages. You have your main navigation. I thought that was a great idea there. My recommendation would be this. See that W right there where you have the logo? Why don't you take that and just have that link right back to the main page, whatever your home page is. Which I would say would probably end up being just some sort of a main navigation page. Okay, so this page, this main navigation presented on a homepage screen. That way, when you click, so you have the back arrow that takes you to the back screen, but then you have the logo which takes you back to the homepage. Does that make sense? And it all points to ease of navigation. And all, I mean, when you go through your testing, you notice people do the behavior is the same. If someone gets lost in a website, the first thing they do is look for either a back button or B, a logo or something that they know is going to take them back to the homepage. So we have main navigation here, and that would probably be the page I'm referring to. Okay, so some sort of a main page that's not the landing page, but some sort of a home page that has your everywhere you need to get within the app. Do you see what I'm saying? So as we click through again, we see we got some really great features here. I mean, really great features. And that links right out to the video. I think that's fantastic. Daily planning. Okay. And then let me see what else we have. We have the workout library. I looked at that. Healthy habits, friend feed. Oh, nice, nice. Oh, wait a second. What was that? That was, let me go back one page. Okay, that took us back to friend feed. Okay, so yeah, I'm just my only issue is I'm having a little bit of difficulty navigating. I think the function is here, and I've gone through the entire app. I've gone through the entire app this way. So I mean, the pages are excellent. I mean, the pages each shows a very distinct function in the page, and it does so quite clearly. So this is excellent. And as we click through the pages in order, we can see that really, really starts developing the basic foundation of the app, right? So, oh, that's a great page too. And adding to schedule, excellent. Hour detail, that's excellent as well. Then we have your messages and in your messages, and then we back to the main page. So again, my only issue is just a little bit of navigation. Some navigation issues, and that's it. I mean, think about it when you're clicking through the prototype. Let's say you get to daily planning. Okay, daily planning. So I'm here at daily planning. I love the global nav up here, But I just, boy, if there was a way to get this back to the main page. So in other words, this, as I said, this main navigation page could be designed into a main page so that when you click the logo, you go back to that main page. All right. And again, I think that is the tendency for most folks when they get lost or lose their way is to go back to an area where they're most familiar. In this case, it would be the homepage and that main navigation homepage that has links to every area in this only designed in as a homepage, right? So those are really my only recommendations. Other than that, great job, really fantastic. So if you have any questions, comments, concerns, or if you need any clarification on anything at all, please let me know. I'll be glad to provide. Thank you very much.